your GPU is giving you artifacts or glitches, this video might save your graphics card. I had the same problem and I fixed it with a simple method that I'm going to show you guys. Hey everyone, this is the Architect S47. Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to share a real issue I faced with my GPU. This is not a theory video, this is based on my personal experience. My graphics card started showing artifacts. I saw screen glitches, lines, and random visual bugs. At first, I thought my GPU was dying, but then I noticed something important. So, I was using my GPU in a horizontal position while my CPU case was standing vertically. I didn't use any support at the end of the GPU. It's an MSI triple fan Gaming X variant, which is quite long and heavy. I used this card for over a year without any support. Over time, this caused the GPU to bend, and that bending led to a sagging issue. What is GPU sag? Modern GPUs are very heavy. Over time, gravity pulls the card down. This puts pressure on the PCI slot. That pressure can cause connection issues. In my case, it caused artifacts. I checked drivers, I checked temperatures, everything was normal, but I tried different version of drivers, the old one, the new one. I reinstalled my window. I checked the temperature, it was all good, everything seems normal. So I thought the problem is not the software. So I decided, after trying multiple methods, multiple fixes, I decided to try GPU support bracket. This bracket holds the GPU straight. It removes pressure from the motherboard slot. I got this GPU bracket very cheap. It doesn't have any fancy RGB, but you can get RGB ones if you want. Installation was very easy, no special tools needed. I just adjusted the height and placed it under the GPU. After installing the bracket, the problem was gone. So, as you can see, I'll boot up the window and the drivers are completely loaded. The artifacts disappeared. My GPU looks stable now. No glitches, no screen issues. But after running my GPU on full load, which I did using Heaven benchmark on extreme setting. So on full load, after some scenes, as you can see, it got halt. My system got stuck, and it made it another restart. So the problem was still there because the connection of my GPU was still not perfect to the slot. So I readjusted the GPU bracket again. You have to find a sweet spot or a correct position where your GPU managed to connect to your slot, your motherboard slot perfectly. So after doing that, so I start my PC again. Now, as you can see, again, system booted perfectly. The sag was completely gone. The artifact disappeared. So let's try having benchmark again. So it's on full load, the temperature is fine, and yeah, we can wait for it's fully completed now, as you can see. So here is the result. The artifacts are completely gone now. This may not fix every GPU. If your GPU chip or memory is damaged, this will not help. But if sag is the cause, this is a cheap and safe fix. If you have a heavy GPU, I strongly recommend a support bracket. They are cheap and they can protect your graphic card. I didn't know it before, but now I do, and you do as well. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more PC tips. Share this video with anyone facing GPU sag. Drop a comment below if you have experienced this issue. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.